All right, what's up, guys? So today we're going to wash the M3. As you can see, it's absolutely filthy. It's been sitting in a auction lot, very dusty auction lot. So see all this? This is all like residue from like the crash wrap and stuff, and it's just the car is just like filthy. Like, look at this, like absolutely filthy. So we're gonna start with a healthy wash. A good healthy wash. I'm probably gonna foam this thing down too. Yeah. So we're gonna start there. And a literal grass growing in the car, man. Grass. Whole ecosystem in the air. I think it's fixable. I hope it's fixable. What is this? Oh. This is just a trim piece that goes there. I hope this is all fixable. We'll see. We will see. We will either have a gutted race car or we will have a functional M3 with a full interior. Time will tell as we get into this whole thing. Hey, the headliner is in not bad shape. It's gonna clean up. Not bad, not bad. Well, I don't know what's going on with the steering wheel. This is gonna have to be addressed. Whatever's happening to this steering wheel, whatever fungus growth is going on there. That button, I'm sure it's important. But we will see, guys. We're in for a long one. This will not be an overnight transformation. Not that it matters, but actually, never mind. It doesn't stick, guys. Anyway, we'll put this back. We will just have to, not that it matters. Car's already seen rain for like 4 months, so. Trunk is bowed in, needs to be replaced. Paint is, it's there, it's just extremely swirled out, old. Okay, so we ran through a few car washes. I don't know. Should I repaint the whole thing? So weird. It's like the hood had like alignment issues or something, and dent there. I don't know. I know how much of it's worth refinishing and how much of it is done. I already know rear bumper, deck lid. Maybe paint on both of those. Gotta fix this dent right here. A few more dents. This rocker right here needs to be all straightened out. This door has quite a few dings and dents in it. Engine cleaned up pretty good. Needs more though. That'll come later.